sailboat in the moonlight and June. Wouldn't that be heaven? Oh, heaven just for two. A soft breeze on a June night and June. What a perfect setting for letting dreams come true.
Well, another windy day here in the boatyard, and it's nice for me because it's nice and cool, but unfortunately you folks are not going to be able to hear me as well. But behind me here are the old boom and the one that I want to fabricate into a new boom. The old boom, as I explained earlier, has this track on it. This track was originally intended for a furling mainsail, so it would have had an outhaul here that would pull the main out along that track. You can see it here. It's got quite a large sheave here too, and that track would be used to pull the mainsail out. Now, the new system I've got is I've got slab reefing, which is a sort of traditional way of doing things, and I'm going to use this boom to do that. The problem with this boom right now is that it's kind of decrepit, so we're going to try and refurb it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. This boom, unfortunately, if I were to flip it upside down, back to its right side up, because there is a track right here, this track here. If I were to flip it over, then I'm going to have this problem, that at the end, you can see it's been cut here. Well, that now would be on the top of the boom, which wouldn't work at all. So you can kind of see my dilemma. This is a lovely boom, although it is much, much heavier than the one I'm going to put on there now. So it'll be a little bit easier for us to manage as well. So, new boom, old boom. Away we go. It was an industrious day yesterday, and we got a lot done. That boom turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, and I'm really excited to see it up on the boat. Today is going to be a bit of a difficult day, not because it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, all you guys, belated. But at the end here, you'll see a little bit of tape. I have prepared this for cutting. So measure twice, cut once is the adage, and I'm going to make the boom slightly longer than the old one just to give it a little bit more breathing room from my Bimini and Dodger, but otherwise it's going to be essentially the same length again. So Let's get at it.
Talk to me.